Hi, and welcome back to the Gorton Law YouTube channel. I'm Jamie Gorton. I'm the lead attorney at Gorton Law. We help businesses hire and retain world-class talent. We help families unite legally in the United States. And we also represent the rights of people who are faced with removal or deportation from the United States. And we want to take ChatGPT out for a spin. Immigration lawyer reacts to ChatGPT. Let's take a look. I have played with this tool before. I told it to write the first page of a noir science fiction story where the main character is very hungry. And sure enough, the AI developed a short story where the very hungry person goes to an alien selling food and says, "What do you have for me?" And then the alien says, "Try the space chili. It's out of this world." And for an AI to come up with "try the space chili, it's out of this world" really blew my mind. So today's video is sponsored by Space Chili. It's out of this world. And the immigration lawyers at Gorton Immigration Law. So let's take a look. Questions that people ask all the time. Can I make money writing blogs while on H-1B status? Go. Thinking. This may not be a very interesting video. I'm going to give it some time to think. Well, I'm going to pause. Well, oh, here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, so the answer is almost certainly no. You would not be able to get money to blog unless your H-1B LCA covers you writing as a blogger. So as long as the blog writing is not in violation of the terms of H-1B visas, doing a lot of work in this sentence because it is not generally permissible to earn additional income on the H-1B through blogging or other means. That's gotta be, gotta rank that one as is not true. Submit feedback. Okay, let's go. Question number 2 is, when can a green card holder file to help their parents immigrate to the United States? Let's go. Again, the tension is just absolutely killing me. Watching the words appear as the machine thinks, though, is actually quite fun. But okay, here we go. The tension is killing me. A green card holder also can file a petition for their parents. No, once they become a U.S. citizen. All right, ding. So AI gets this one. This one's an easy one. I wanted to throw a softball at the AI after it screwed up the blog one. Only U.S. citizens can sponsor their parents for family-based immigration. However, there is a long wait, and there maybe takes several years for a parent to be an immigrant. Okay, so again, mostly true, but there is not a long waiting list for family-based immigration for parents of U.S. citizens. Parents who are U.S. citizens, parents of U.S. citizens are immediate relatives, no matter how old they are, as long as the U.S. citizen is over 21. So we got to give this one another thumbs down. This isn't fully true, not fully accurate. There is no wait for parents, even from China, Mexico, Philippines, and India, which are the geographically restricted by country origin, discriminated against nationalities. Let's think. What else is a great question that... here's a great one. How should I plan on getting back into the United States if I have been outside the United States for more than 6 months as a green card holder? So the answer to this question is not one I'm going to say on air. if you're in this situation under what we've seen after COVID, reach out to an immigration lawyer. I think the immigration lawyer might like tell you in the privacy of the attorney-client confidential relationship what I think the right answer would be. But let's go ahead and ask the OpenAI. And again, this awful period while you can feel the wheels turning. If you have been outside, okay, for more than 6 months as a green card holder, you may be subject to additional scrutiny. Yep. Okay. Before you leave is here. Yeah, it is. Okay. So that's the main point here, is that if you are in this situation, you should try to obtain a reentry permit, which allows you to reenter if you know you're going to be gone for more than 6 months. You must be inside the United States when you apply for the reentry permit, and you must also be in the United States when they require you to take your fingerprints. But after you take your fingerprints, you can depart, and as long as you get that document in your hands when you reenter, you should be okay. When you return to the US, you will be inspected by CBP. All this is true. Highly recommend to seek assistance from an immigration lawyer. Yeah, but it doesn't answer the question. It doesn't actually answer how should I do it. So this is a good indication that maybe it's time to reach out to an immigration lawyer. Let's do one more just for fun. Let's take a thought here. Okay, I got one. How long will it take for me to get my work permit after I apply for my green card? The chat knows that we are here for immigration now. It has figured us out. Let's see if it can get us an answer. This one, I would be impressed. For applying for a green card can vary depending on several factors. In general, USCIS states that it will process an EAD application within. Oof, wow. But it's not uncommon to take longer. You may be able to apply for a work permit at the same time you apply for a green card. Also a good idea. This one's not so bad. We're ending on a high note. ChatGPT is doing some work for us at the end of the night. Yeah, consult the attorney for rules about bridging your EAD. That would be a good idea. So, not wrong. Yes, USCIS states that it would love to process work permits within 90 days. And it is also correct, chat is correct, that it was not uncommon to take much, much longer. So for the specifics, feel free to reach out for an attorney. We know what to do to get exact data, or at least the best data available to us. And it looks like for all of the data that the AI has access to, reaching into, well, obviously, they tell us that this data is like through 2021, but obviously the AI is not able to pull live information directly from USCIS in a way that an experienced immigration attorney would be able to. So we have 2 thumbs down, one that. And I don't think this one really answered the question. It's like, if I'm outside the United States and spend 6 months, what do I do next? So don't really want to give that one a thumbs up or a thumbs down. This one is all strictly accurate, and it's not as helpful as we think, but I'm going to give it a thumbs up anyway. Yeah, so I'd say 1 win, 1 draw, 2 losses for the chat. I don't think immigration lawyers are going anywhere soon, and this one in particular, chat is the AI is trying to get people deported with this piece of advice here, so that's one is really tragic. So again, I had fun playing with this toy. I'm definitely going to think about using AI in my practice more and more to help our clients, but you might think that it would be for maybe maybe generating some blog posts, or maybe it would be more for writing some newsletter content, things that can be quickly summarized off of publicly available information. This is certainly not going to be something that someone can get like, one-to-one personal advice for. So I don't think I'm in danger for my career quite yet anyway. But hey, I could be wrong. And if you think I'm wrong and you think that I need to start looking at alternative careers, leave your preferred alternative career for me in the comments to this video. Otherwise, we would always like to end our video by thanking our subscribers. I am so happy to see people making the choice to seek out high quality immigration information and information for people who are consumers of immigration, which is what this channel is all about. So we'll sign off on that note. I'm not out of business yet. Good luck to the developers of OpenAI. This was really fun, but I will always encourage people to reach out and get one-to-one advice confidentially from an immigration attorney who will understand your personal situation. Thanks so much, and as always, check us out further on the web at our website, gorton.law.